Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by removing interior trim and exposing the fasteners. Once done, confirm the roof light size and note old seal condition so you know what to replace. You'll climb a stable ladder with a partner for safety and lay out a tarp to catch debris. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection. Unscrew visible fixings, then use a low-angle pry to free the frame from the roof deck, taking care not to damage surrounding roofing felt. You now lift the glazing and frame out in a controlled motion. Once removed, examine the deck and flashing for rot or missing fasteners so you know if repairs are needed. If you find soft timber or torn flashing, replace or splice those areas prior to refitting. This prevents future leaks. Scrape off old sealant and adhesive until surfaces are clean and dry, and vacuum dust so new silicone and butyl will bond properly. You place continuous butyl tape or specified gasket onto the cleaned flange, pressing firmly so there are no gaps. Once seated, secure the new roof light using the recommended screws and torque. Make sure not to overdrive them. After reinstalling interior trim, run a hose water test while someone inside watches for leaks. If you see seepage or drafts, pinpoint the gap, remove a screw and reseal with silicone, or add more butyl under the flange and red itin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.